Shrimp?
And a Venus flytrap anemone?
I'll just mark it. We can look at the footage later.
So, anemone right there.
The benthic will pick up with the photos.
Okay.
So we'll look at those and analyze those for benthic composition.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm slowing it down now.
Oh, there's another one. At the very bottom.
All right.
And there's one in the middle. It's a little to the left. You can see his tail moving a little bit.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him, yeah.
Oh yeah, he's doing a slow roll.
Yeah.
You see me, Anthony? Dead center.
We already got 4 guys.
Almost beating Brian's log.
Going for it.
Dun, dun, dun.
He's doing a weird
There's
little
a little
swim
guy.
dance.
How high are we off the bottom?
641 meters.
Okay.
All Hercules is 3.5
Oh, off the bottom, sorry.
meters.
3 meters.
3.5.
Cool. It's a good distance for the cameras focusing. Perfect.
Oh.
Fish and artist cam.
We're only doing Herc cam.
Oh,
Sorry.
still very. It was still very cute.
Sorry. Oh, there's another urchin, it looks like. Dead center on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep, brownish purple urchin.
Yeah.
What did we say those were earlier?
I need to check.
We're seeing a lot of it. Echinotheridae, Spirosoma.
Spirosoma.
Oh.
Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.
Oh, the urchin showed up in the bottom cam.
Still up 4 fish.
Almost beating Brian's log over there.
We're all in this together.
How many, Nav,
This
how many
is
meters
true.
in are we?
Oh, what's this?
Ooh, what is that?
Looks kind of like a fortune cookie.
We started at 0009. Yeah. What if we bribe the fish?
Bring some bait down.
Cash.
Cash.
I don't think that's the type of chum they respond to.
Probably not.
How about a Krabby Patty?
There you go. We'll definitely attract some plankton.
Is this where it was found? Is this the SpongeBob grounds?
It's
Did
a
you say?
bikini-
Did you ask if
bikini
this is where
bottom,
it was
though.
filmed?
Bikini Bottom.
We're on location.
Over here.
Look for the squirrel, everybody.
Oh, there's a anemone on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Good eye.
Fun fact.
0009.
The SpongeBob movie, the real life segment was filmed in Savannah, Georgia. They took over Broughton Street and repainted like a quarter mile of all the buildings,
Wow.
all their facades,
What
shut
was
down all the
this?
business.
The SpongeBob movie?
Yeah, SpongeBob movie was shot in
Real
Savannah,
life
Georgia.
version?
Did
Yeah.
they, like,
I never heard of this. When
just
did this
repaint
happen?
it so that it looked nice, or like?
I haven't seen the movie, but
Oh.
they
Is it
repainted
out?
it.
Yeah,
it's
it's-
something that was out a while ago.
Wow.
Is this the one with David Hasselhoff, or is it a newer
Yeah.
one?
Yes.
I don't know.
I think that's the one.
No.
Did you know that the creator of SpongeBob studied oceanography at Humboldt State University? That's where I went to
heard
school.
Did not know
Oh,
that.
wow.
Yeah.
He's got some cred.
Cool.
So he had a marine bio background. It was oceanography or marine biology study. I can't remember, one or the other.
Claim to fame.
So, yeah,
Sea cucumber on right.
he would always
He knew.
donate money
Yes,
to
he
the
did.
school for student scholarships.
Very
Aw.
Yeah.
So after they finished filming, they had to go back and repaint all of the buildings again. Every single one.
They
Wow.
repainted all for the movie,
Yep.
and then they changed it all.
Yeah.
They should have left
No
it.
way.
Why,
Wow.
why
Savannah
would they-
shoots tons of movies.
Ah.
Yeah, apparently they're like a second Hollywood in the States, right?
Yeah, we had Finished Lady and the Tramp being filmed in our area.
Wow.
Oh.
And then there was another one. We were at the train museum.
Meter.
And they had set up this kind of like
No,
fake
that's-
cave
that's
tunnel,
feet.
but they couldn't tell us what they were filming.
Of
Okay.
course.
Yeah. But it was this huge fake tunnel for this train to go through. Probably maybe like
Interesting.
50 meters long.
Wow. Okay. Huh. It's amazing what they do in
Meters in a
movies.
nautical mile.
How many meters are in a nautical mile?
On it.
It's like 1,800.
If there's 6,000 feet, in a 6,076
1800?
feet in a nautical mile, divide that by, what, 3-ish?
What did
So
I
it'll
say?
be like
1800?
2-ish thousand
18
meters?
something.
Yeah, 1876.
1,852 meters.
52, that was
Almost hit
One
close.
nautical
1850.
mile. Yeah,
Nice job,
nice.
Summer.
I knew it
Still
was in
only
that
on
area.
4 fish. Where's the rest of them?
I think there might be a sheet there, Lily, too. That to your right, on the taped on the wall.
How many
To the
more
right?
meters do we have in this
There's a whole
transect?
sheet of conversions.
I don't know, how many
Yeah, what
meters
was
do we
that?
have
Something
in this
was on the
transect?
Argus cam.
Stand by.
She's over here with her protractor. Splitting atoms, trying
Doing
to figure this
it.
out.
You're doing great.
Yeah, it's like the same thing.
Come on, fish. We need to get to beat Brian's.
Oh, there's one.
Oh,
7
yeah.
o'clock.
There we go.
Are you on SPL?
We're on 5.
Oh, there's another one? Okay.
Yep.
There's a tiny one, just swam across.
Does that count?
Yep.
Counts. 6. Officially beat.
We
I thought we were on
officially
5.
beat Brian's
You just,
unofficial
yeah, I
record.
have 5. You saw
Oh.
another?
Did
Did
you
you
get
see one right now, right?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, okay.
I thought we saw one swim right past the cam.
Yeah.
So
I think that was Argus cam.
Oh,
It doesn't
okay.
count.
On the hurt cam. There was a tiny. It was tiny.
Oh, oops. Oh, thank
We're
you.
about halfway there. I get caught up.
We got time.
So are we at 5 or 6?
I have 5.
Okay.
I
Sorry,
can't
Anthony, it
hear
doesn't
you.
count.
That's okay. I'm not a scientist. I just saw something move.
I believe you.
I can't hear you, Narelle, on SPL unless I put you on here. I don't know that's...
Why am I in feet?
Because you have 2 of them.
Thank you. Okay. So we have about 40 meters left.
Nice. There's still time.
Testing.
We hear you.
Sorry.
It's not liking this wind.
The wind dropped off too.
Yeah, it's only at
Down
10
to
knots.
10.
That's good.
I think because it's from the
That's
east,
great.
southeast, so we're like protected a little bit more from it. From the island.
That's good news.
Yeah.
I'm taking that down for a sec, Scott.
Yeah, that's fine.
Those of you watching the quad view, I just put up where we're actually finding the wind speed in the van here on the lower left-hand side. That's the DP, or the dynamic positioning screen, that they're all viewing up here to find out the wind speed. It says it. in the top left. It
When
just
you
went up
said
again.
lower left-hand side, I thought you meant of the DP screen, and I'm like, no, it's in the upper left.
The
So
DP.
silly, Anthony.
The DP's on the lower left of the quad, but the wind speed's on the upper right.
No, it's the upper left.
Upper left, sorry. There you go. We'll get there.
It also gives us somewhat good current data.
Thanks to our viewers, about 220s right now. Shout out to US, Canada, UK, Sweden, New Zealand, Netherlands, Australia, American Samoa, Portugal, Germany, Puerto Rico, Poland, Norway, Luxembourg, Japan, Finland, Switzerland, Belgium, and Austria.
Nice.
Brian, what's the most viewers we've had in any one time? Do you know?
Like ever?
Yeah.
Of all time.
Oh man, I don't know the number on that
Or
one.
while you've been on shift, I
In
guess.
2015, I was on when our 60-minute special aired, and I think we got into the thousands.
Whoa.
Cool.
There's several thousands.
Hey, is that a fish in the bottom left, or is that just a stick?
I think that's
It's a
just
stick.
a stick.
All right.
I shall zoom and we shall inspect.
We shall zoom.
I think it's confirmed.
Confirmed.
I
Confirm.
think that's just a stick.
Welcome to marine
Can
science.
confirm.
We've confirmed it is a stick.
Oh, little guy.
That tiny thing
It's
on
like
the
a fun
left-hand
game.
side.
Stick or marine organism?
Peyton or someone, did you see that tiny swiggle thing? Looked like it was swimming on the left-hand side.
No,
no.
Negative.
I'll note the time just in case we can go back and look.
It looked like the other one you said didn't count, so.
Was it on
Still
Argus?
You've got the eyes.
No, it's on her.
Oh, I missed it, but I'm going to make notes so we can go back and check later.
Is that a
Okay.
leaf?
I'm saying leaf, yes.
Okay.
There's a fish, lower center.
Ah, good eye.
Oh man, we're 6 now.
Officially 6.
Yay.
And we
He's so cute.
are still in feet for some reason.
What's that ahead?
Oh, that
Is
looks
that
like a
another?
salp. That looks like a salp.
Oh, what?
What's right there in the middle?
There was something floating towards
we
her
zoom in?
the.
Yes, I can.
Look down
Oh,
a little bit.
We are entering
Down.
our last 10
Oh, no.
meters.
Down, down, down.
Oh,
Down.
awesome.
Okay, great. Thanks, Lily.
There we
There we
go. What are we
is
looking at?
that?
I don't know what that is.
Huh.
Is that a? It looks like we're looking down on some type of coral.
I
I'm not
Ah.
sure what that was.
I have no idea.
almost think that was like an
It's
anemone
another urchin.
or like a shell.
Sea cucumbers?
Five more meters. Let's see another fish.
Oh, come on,
Dun,
fish.
dun, dun.
Come on, fish.
Let's go.
Big number 7.
Is that a? Did you guys see that drifting
On
by
the right?
left? On the there was something on the left, but it passed by.
Oh, didn't
It
see that.
looked almost more like a worm, but
And
maybe
that's
Zoom in,
it.
Anthony.
Oh,
Zoom
that's
in.
it.
That's
Alright.
our
Yeah.
survey.
Oh, there's
I
one.
was looking at
Does
my
that
other
count?
screen.
Yeah. It was
Is
on
that
the
a
screen the whole
fish?
time.
It is chilling out.
Yeah, he is.
7.
These are hard to see.
Yeah, they blend in
They
well.
blend, yeah, very well.
N times 0024, and that's 626 meters.
Thank you. Wow, we hit a record.
7.
Hayden recording the end of time.
Possibly 8. We don't know. Have to go back and check.
Now we are
Cool.
leaving this alone, so Chris doesn't have to come back.
Awesome.
Thanks for joining us, Ontario, Canada.
Hello, Ontario.
Hello, Ontario.
Yeah, for the viewer who wrote in, yeah, it was windy overnight. We had some swells while we were sleeping.
I was in bed and I could just like feel the boat moving up and down, and like it was more disconcerting than like scary. But I was just like, ooh, glad we are not diving right now.
Ocean was just rocking you to sleep.
Little forceful.
Not comfortable.
Is that a fish right there?
I
On the
think
left.
so.
Yeah.
It's chilling.
Yep, it's another one of those very stoic ones.
What do you do?
Very stoic fishes that
Do you
just
think we
hang
could
out there.
slurp one of those since they don't really appear to swim away?
We could try.
Ooh, let's
you want to
slurp
try?
a fish.
Sure, we could try.
You stop the ship.
Stop.
Might even have to wiggle back.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see if we can snag them.
I'll go full white, Scott.
Yeah, thank you.
We were able to get pretty close to another one earlier, so.
He's not just going away. He's chilling out.
He wants his moment.
He's
We got our
committed.
chambers
He
lined up.
wants the slurp.
Beam me up, Scotty.
Do you have a slot open?
All
or
of our bio
picked out?
boxes are
Oh yeah,
open.
they're all open. Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
no samples have been
Oh,
taken
so
yet.
this is our first one. All right.
He's still there.
Fish sample.
Welcome, Edmonton. Thanks
So
for
we're
our
on the
viewer
flush right now?
who's just turned in. We do have a satellite dish on board.
Would you
And
like me to flush now just to get whatever's
Yeah.
in there?
Yes, what's
Sure,
up?
go ahead.
I can't tell you what our upload-download latency is or the cost,
There's
but
something down there too.
it definitely...
Oh yeah, I see.
The latency is going to depend on their internet speed as well, and probably where they are.
Thank you,
and if you're
Anthony.
looking at your phone on your Wi-Fi or if your Ethernet on your house, that's all going to
That
change
should have been
it.
0. Oh,
Yep.
because we had. Yeah.
So the miracle of telepresence.
It is pretty amazing.
Is that
Oh,
a
there's an invert right there
Looks
in
like
front
a
of it too.
shrimp or
I think it's a shrimp.
lobster?
Yeah, let's see if we can.
Let's slurp them.
Both.
I don't know. I think if we go for the.
Any 5 marine organisms that are close together. Just-
Well, this one is just for someone from Smithsonian that's just requesting.
Oh,
Alright.
But
I
yeah,
don't
the
know
shrimps.
if we'll get the shrimp. Maybe we can get the fish.
maybe on the way over to the fish, we just
Oh,
also get
I
the
think
fish.
My
he's-
slurp
I
was
think
long enough to reach
he's-
that.
I think he's
I have to get
startling the
closer, don't I?
fish.
Can
To
you
get
sneak
that
up
thing?
on them, Scott?
I'm gonna have to.
Beware.
You got to sneak up on the
Why?
fish.
I haven't seen this
Must have
this
just
slurper.
How do you catch a unique fish? Unique up on it.
Oh.
That's a good one.
And that fish is
shrimp
dedicated.
is gone.
He's
Wow.
not giving
Yeah.
up
He's
on it.
dedicated to his camouflage.
And
It shall be his
dedicated
undoing.
to letting us sample them.
All right, I'm marking the start of our sample attempt.
Okay, you
Anthony,
stand
we
by
have a
on suction.
request to put
Yeah.
the jar view up on the quad.
Okay.
It's been flushed. Let me
We can
just
do
change
that.
So all the things are empty, right, Peyton?
Yep.
Yes, everything is empty.
Hey, Pearl Harbor, Hawaii,
So
thanks for
now
joining.
We're in 1, which has some stuff in it, though.
Oh, there's another fish on the right.
So 1
Another
is
rat tail.
Oh yeah.
some
Oh,
stuff.
hey.
Oh, fish in
look at
Argus
it.
cam.
Argus cam.
Oh,
yeah.
Hello.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Looks
Oh,
like it's
wow.
heading down too.
Wait, what if
Oh,
it's going to
I
try to
scared him away.
sneak our fish?
Hey, Peyton,
Oh,
we're on
rats.
sample jar 2.
Sample jar 2?
Yeah,
Thank you very
because 1
much.
had some.
There's another tiny little fish that just went out of view on Herc.
I'm surprised this little guy hasn't got
Yeah.
startled.
He's committed.
He's ready for his moment.
Have we ID'd this?
Oh.
No.
Okay, is it suction on?
Negative.
Working
Turning
on it.
section on.
Oh, there's the
Section
big
is
fish.
on.
Zoom out, it's a
Yep.
shark.
It's not a, I
Oh.
don't think it's a
Huge.
shark.
Suction
Wait,
on?
where are you seeing
It was
that?
It
just
was
in
on the
the
top
camera.
right. I
Yeah.
saw
I think
it.
it was orange, right?
It's definitely not a shark.
Oh my gosh,
but
here we go. Let's see if we can get him.
Zoom in.
Slurp. Oh, there's the big fish again.
Oh.
Slurp.
Did we do it?
We
And
got,
the
I think
fish
we got
is
him.
Did you get it? Is it in the thing?
Yeah.
Is it?
We're waiting to look at channel.
Yeah, well, I like
7.
it.
Oh, here's
And
the
there's-
sediment.
So many exciting things on these cams.
Oh,
Okay, suction off.
Turning it off.
Oh, I want to know what that
There he
is.
is.
Hey,
The fish has
there
been
he is.
slurped.
Fish has
Nice
been
job, Scott.
slurped.
Yeah.
You
Oh, there
really
he
wanted
is.
that.
Woo!
got him.
All right.
Did you guys say you saw a
Nice
shark
job.
while this was happening?
There's a big
Yeah.
fish.
There's a big fish.
It was,
yeah.
it was not a
Argus
shark.
cam?
Not a
It
shark.
was in Herc, off in
So
the
if
corner.
we-
Really?
Cool.
Yeah, right before we slurped.
It
It was-
just like came in
Oh,
a
man.
little tiny
Yeah.
sliver in the
Yeah.
corner.
Wow.
Dang.
Maybe we'll still see him when
And
we
that was
look
in
forward.
02, you said?
He was just about to eat that fish.
Yes.
and
Yeah,
slurp.
2.
Yeah, if we look up on
Chamber
the
two.
camera.
Yeah, it's
You
in
think
2.
it's
I
something
didn't want
around?
to put it in 1. There was some
He's getting set up.
sediment. I'm going to go put it back on flush.
There you go. Oh.
Yeah, that was a huge fish.
Oh.
I know.
So that was
Do we have a
sample-
timestamp to go back and check that out?
Yeah, 002.
Sample 27A.
It was
Did you put that
That
camera?
was sample 023.
023.
Yeah. So, any description you want to give me, Hana, for that one?
We had just, if you want to record the depth for it, bottom fish.
Okay. Yeah, what would that look like?
Yeah, let's see. I have no
mottled,
idea.
silvery,
small, kind of was like a shimmery.
And silvery / shimmery.
Yeah.
Large eyes.
And then make note something lying on the bottom, lying on top of sand.
Lying on top.
Bottom fish.
Yeah.
Sand, motionless.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, he was pretty still. I'm surprised. He didn't wiggle to the very end after he was partly sucked up.
One capture on that guy, but I think it was pretty good.
That you were looking at?
He was very dedicated to camouflaging himself.
Yeah, okay to reset.
He was.
Is that like a star?
Hey, Peyton, what time did that happen at?
Yeah.
That happened at 0030.
0030?
Yes.
Thank you.
Maybe the suction pump? No. That's
Not right now. It's too close. We'll wait.
Peyton, I know what I'm doing
till
as soon as the ROVs are on deck.
Hey, help us come process the fish.
Yeah.
Ooh, yes.
Absolutely. I like the shot on Argus right now. That's really cool.
Let's see that big fish come back.
Yeah.
It's Herc being majestic.
I was so worried that fish was going to swoop in and try and steal our fish.
Look at Herc being majestic right now.
Oh, that's a good view.
So we need to look for 5 of something that is small.
And
near
relatively
everything
close
else.
together.
Yes.
What's that? In the middle.
Oh, I think
Some
it's
sort
another
of
little fish.
Like a little, it looks kind of similar shape to that frogfish we saw earlier.
Can we just slurp up 5 of those fish that don't swim away?
That's going to take up
I mean,
5 slurp jars, though.
You don't think you could put them in the same?
Maybe.
Fish right there on the
We'd
left.
have a hard time telling which one
yeah,
was
look at
got
that.
where.
Bottom left.
Is that a
And then
fish
another one up there
in
on the right.
In the left?
Yeah.
On the
Is that
left.
I'm sorry,
silver?
left. The white.
Center.
Sorry, where was it?
Right there on the bottom
Bottom
left.
left.
It kind of looks like a
Oh, yeah.
A floating
piece of debris.
Yeah, like a floating stick. Huh.
Want to zoom in on it?
Yeah, zoom in.
What is that?
that type of
Oh.
pipefish.
Very long tail.
I want to say it's we were talking about these before.
Small one just swam by while we were doing
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Man, I'm blinking. I know we saw some fish very similar to this before. Or we ID'd one that was kind of similar. It was
It's got like a ribbon tail.
Yeah.
let me look at our history because I know
Oh,
we
look
searched
at that.
it up
Very shiny
Iridescent
underside.
bottom, yeah.
Ooh. Very
Pretty.
cool. Almost.
Did you
the
get some
front
good grabs
snout
on that?
almost reminds me of a goatfish.
Oh,
not
this
as
is where we need that button. There we
Can
go.
you guys zoom in again?
I shall.
And
Do my
then-
best, Peyton, here. It looks like he's swimming in the frame for you.
Thank
Oh, next to the
you.
anemone.
I'm on bottom.
That's okay. Hey, look, he's still there. He's just hanging out.
Oh,
Oh,
There
no.
he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Go wide again?
Yep.
Look left?
Full wide.
Oh, never mind.
oh, shrimp.
Yeah.
Oh, where did that guy come from?
Did you guys see Ice Age 2 or 3 where the shrimps are all, or the krill?
Krill? I don't know. I'm not sure.
Ah, they're
Oh,
so
it's a
funny.
Halosaurus fish.
Halosaurus.
You're full white on
fish.
both, Scott.
Nice. Is that also a fish that's white?
I don't know. Can we zoom in middle of the screen?
About to be on the bottom of the screen. The
Scott?
white.
Sonars, what's going on?
Oh, what
Uh,
is that in the middle?
Wait,
is that
the
something?
middle bottom? Is that
like a
crab
spider?
looking thing?
Yeah. Yeah, bottom, middle of the screen.
You see
What
that?
is that?
Yeah,
An
it's
octopus?
Just above the slurp
More
tank?
to the right.
It's kind of striped looking.
Yeah.
Gonna zoom in.
What is that? Can you zoom in on that?
There's that whitefish now.
Okay, one person at a time. Where are we looking?
See that spiky thing?
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
I'm very descriptive
crab?
in my.
Looks like it's got a happy face.
that
I
a
think
crab?
we saw one of those swimming before.
Oh wait, is that what we
yeah.
saw swimming?
I believe so. It had striped legs.
It looks similar, yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's a good view.
Oh, you get some stills of that?
Yes.
Awesome. Almost looks like he's got a happy face on top.
Okay, I'm gonna go full wide.
Roger, full wide.
Oh, he blends in really well.
Wow, he
Hey, Noel,
does.
could we try to get an ID on that?
Sure, let
That
me
might be a crab.
check it out.
Arthropoda?
Looks
Where
like
am I?
Go up.
Thanks to our new viewer joining us, we are currently diving our ROVs off of an island right here in American Samoa, and we are sampling some biology as well as some geology potentially if we can find some rocks to potentially grab. We're also doing some fish transects as we better understand what type of organisms are in this National Marine Sanctuary.
There goes a shrimp.
Oh.
Nope.
Not sure what kind of crab that is.
I'm not seeing it in crabs, but maybe someone wants to go back and check.
I just did, and I did not see it either.
Okay.
Check again.
That was our intention, yes.
The striped legs were very distinctive.
Why?
Maybe we should try to sample one the next time we see it.
You think he'll stay together?
Ooh, yeah, I don't know if it'll fit.
I mean, his legs will probably fold in if we tried to slurp him up.
Yeah.
Did they have to be in one piece?
For the one scientist ashore requesting for DNA, no. The others, they did not specify.
For the one that's requesting for DNA, what are they specifically looking for? Are they just any invertebrate or?
Yeah, they're looking for
Zoom in.
any species, particularly invertebrates. What's that square thing?
Yeah, what's the
That
thing
might be some
underneath that?
trash. Can we get a closer zoom on it?
Yeah.
I think it might be trash.
Yeah.
Piece of tile.
Is that a piece of tile? Like blue?
Or like plastic.
That's it.
That's really weird.
Definitely looks too square.
There's an anemone next to it.
I think it is a piece of trash at 617 meters down.
It looks like a piece of metal, like the diamond.
Yeah.
I'll log
Oh,
it.
like
The
diamond plate.
aluminum.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Marine.
Good eyes, guys.
Wow.
The top of that anemone looks like the nose of a star-nosed mole.
Zoom in.
Poking
Yeah,
out.
let's look at that. Good idea.
It's a big urchin.
It's a big.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Good zooming.
Very cool.
Makes it look so fluffy.
Another Sparosoma.
I don't think.
Scott, we have a question for you from a viewer. Is it difficult to control Hercules at this depth?
Not at all. The key is to get your ballast so that the vehicle naturally floats just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So for instance, right now I'm actually locked with a little bit of vertical thrust down onto the seafloor. And in order to lift off the seafloor, instead of having to use thrusters, all I have to do is go neutral.
Mm-hmm.
And now we'll just float off the bottom just a little bit. And so we're not going to hypothetically not disturb any of the bottom. So that's Hercules right now. That's floating. I'm not doing anything to it.
Okay. So you can kind of lock and dial in the thrusters as need be to kind of...
Yes. And then we have, on our thrusters, we can adjust our joy gain. So instead of just driving around at full throttle,
Yeah.
I can dial down to like half or less or whatever percentage of, so that I don't overdrive the vehicle.
Yeah.
It's really easy to do. But otherwise, it has pretty good finite control.
Well, let's fly
In the
just under the
middle.
lasers, yeah. Is that another shrimp?
Oh.
Really
I'm
long.
going to guess another shrimp based on
Thanks
the
for
way it
sharing,
just
Scott.
swam.
It also has a closed loop control. So as long as we have good Doppler lock on 4 beams, we could basically go into an auto XY and drive by button. I can enter in a distance and a heading and a speed, and it'll drive that distance across the ocean floor.
You let all the secrets away. Could have just said you're always doing this manually. It feels so good.
Yeah, did you
Wow,
see that
just
straight
button.
line I just flew for 100,
Well, man, that's all
100
it is.
meters? Yeah.
He has a chart behind him of rulers and protractors,
Yeah.
meter sticks,
The stick of science.
several high-profile Texas Instruments calculators.
TX-80Is, man.
There you go.
And you need a pretty bomb Argus pilot to like make you look good, so there's that. We forgot to mention.
Yeah, the
Summer.
Argus pilot does everything, actually.
Yeah, Argus doesn't have an auto altitude. I've got a...
Summer is the puppet
Chin
master.
up.
Yep. She's over there kicking me.
There was something behind her in Argus Cam.
That's actually true.
Where?
I didn't see it.
I think it's a
Missed
tether.
it.
I think we missed it. It looked like it was spewing something out, so I wasn't sure if it was the sediment being disturbed
Probably
or like a
just
shrimp
backwash.
spitting something
There's
out.
another fish there.
Huh.
Lower right.
Slurp it.
I don't think he
Oh,
could get
there's a
this
fish.
one.
Peyton's getting greedy.
Yeah, it's very demonic. Like, slurp
I think that's another
In the
Halosaurus.
red rum voice.
So we were able to catch sight of that crab back there because we have eagle eyes. We also have high definition cameras that I believe are 4K.
Oh.
This one is not 4K right now. We also have nice big monitors, though.
Yes. And we're also pretty used to looking at
That's
seafloor.
Yeah. It helps to have the big monitor streaming right in front of them because the pilot and everyone has to see pilot and science.
Yeah. And since we have enough set of eyes looking at the same thing,
Ooh.
Yes.
we're usually bound to catch something.
Yeah.
There's something that passed by for a side.
We play the odds.
Man, I really want like a big button that I can just hit to get screen grabs.
We shall add it on your wish list, Peyton.
Please. Because then I could just like, as soon as you see something, it's not like, I gotta open up this panel and like click something.
We'll put it right after Summers and Masseuse.
Yeah, that goes after in the budget. Masseuse and the 2 shilling or craft.
We were trying to work out if we could 3D print her one, but
2 fish.
You could 3D
A
print her a
masseuse.
masseuse and a button.
Zoom in, Anthony.
The masseuse can also.
Anthony, zoom in.
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
There's a 2 fish
I think
there.
that's another.
there's 2 of them.
Oh.
Those are the
two.
rat
We
tails.
could sample them both.
That's your answer to everything.
I mean, a
Somebody
little
wants to
bit.
sample.
I think like with the last
Go
dive,
wide.
we had an issue where like we didn't sample very much because we were sort of waiting for later.
Full wide.
And then we ended up not being able to sample really anything as a result. So I sort of like decided that I'd be the voice, the voice of like
The slurp
pro
voice.
sampling.
What's
Yeah.
this on the left?
Pro
Yeah, zoom in,
sampling.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
What
can
is
we
that?
just
Interesting.
zoom
Looks like
Ah.
another anemone.
Yeah, we saw something like that earlier we passed over.
I wonder if it's
Actually, that might be a sea pen.
in? Yeah.
Can we get a closer view on it?
I'm going to come in.
Thank
Are you
you.
going to land?
Yeah, I'm going to land.
Okay, I'll zoom out to
That's a
help you out.
bathy pathy.
A C-pen was one of the things we needed to sample
Bathy
too, correct?
pathies?
Yeah, we
Yes.
did need to sample a C-pen, didn't
Yeah.
we?
Right.
Science?
Oh, you might get your wish, Peyton.
Yeah, it might. I'm going to need to get a closer look at it to tell,
Yeah, we're-
and Hana's going to need to confirm.
Yeah.
Hana is the expert.
I am not the
Are we
scientist.
sampling it? Sample it, slurp it.
Hello, Topeka, Kansas, and Florida.
There's a little fishy.
Here's the little fish.
There's
Oh,
another
there's 2
one.
of them.
Oh, Science, what do you think about this?
Can we zoom in on it? So
Yes,
Yeah, go ahead.
please.
Well, I'm
Trying to
gonna.
ID.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
still
landing,
landing.
so I'm
oh,
gonna
no
let
worries.
him,
Yeah, we're trying to ID.
Yeah.
Like it almost looks like it's curled over.
It does look like that, but
I don't know if we're
can't
going to be able
really
to,
tell.
because without a scoop, I don't know if we're going to be able to get it out of the sediment.
Roger that. Okay, go and zoom in.
Go.
Do we have
The-
a saw?
You know, the coral cutters just be able to grab in the sand at the base.
Yeah, Miles just said it was a bathy pathy. I don't know
Bathypathes?
if anyone knows what that is.
That's
I
a
don't know.
coral genus or family.
Okay.
So I can clip some of this and put it into a slurp.
I don't think it's a sea pen then.
Okay.
No, I don't think it is.
Yeah, because you would probably see a fleshier stock.
We could still
You
sample
don't.
it.
Yeah, even if it isn't, you don't want to sample it.
Yeah, we could sample it.
Okay.
We could grab it. So you think you could saw part of it off, Scott?
Yeah, I can do some
We have
clippings
Okay.
the clippers.
and then put it into a chamber.
Okay.
You want to practice your hedge trimming?
Let's see
Yeah.
if we can get it from the base.
Should we stop
Well,
the ship?
how much of it do you want?
Is the ship still moving?
I guess we don't have to get the whole thing for the.
It's
Yeah,
wrong.
maybe.
Nope, the ship's
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
pretty
okay.
much right
stabilizing
underneath
here.
it.
It's
See.
just gonna hold. We're good.
Maybe
I'll zoom
like
out for you, Scott.
half. You clip
Till
it in
you
the middle
are ready.
and get half of it. The
Ooh,
top
this will be a
half.
cool time
Roger that. Top half.
Yeah, if you
Okay.
can do that.
to zoom in when he's using the arm because we're at a good angle. If Scott's cool with it.
Did you get some
I'm gonna,
photos
once he
painted?
starts
I
moving, now I'm
am.
gonna zoom
Okay,
in.
great.
Yeah.
It's
Zoom in on Argus.
because
Yeah.
there's not really a hard substrate, so it's like I'm
Can
really
I zoom on Argus
confused
too?
about what.
Yeah, what it could be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds
Cool.
good.
Can you angle it for Argus?
Yeah.
There could be a rock underneath
That's
the
definitely
sediment that's
possible.
attached to.
Slurp.
I mean, you gotta assume this
Awesome.
thing's
Thank
been
you so
growing
much.
for a long time.
Sorry. Hold on a second.
Well, it's just gonna keep. It's gonna move
And
around,
we
but
need a view of the
right.
chambers.
The
look at that. Love it.
oh, sorry, the bucket.
Yeah, the
I thought we
buckets,
were gonna
sorry.
do a sample.
We're getting distracted with lining up camera angles here for me.
Yeah. So there's the bucket. Let me flush it. So I'm gonna flush it right now,
Sure.
just because we were at a different area. Let's flush it.
Fish is about to get a neighbor.
Maybe.
Right.
Let's see.
And then we'll go to jar number
I think it's definitely an
3.
Nigerian.
3.
All right, Peyton, this is 3.
Maybe Bathypathis
And
patula.
okay, I'm ready whenever you
Okay.
are.
However, on this ID guide, it has a question mark.
Summer,
They're
can you
not
angle the
100%
camera
sure.
up?
Yep, stand by.
Awesome. I'm gonna zoom in for you, Scott, here.
Roger that.
I
Peyton,
think
this is
this might
024?
be the species.
Okay.
024?
Oh yeah, O24. Sorry.
You want me to? Is that good?
That's good.
Cool.
The tentacles. Oh.
Zoom a little more.
Okay.
That's good.
Oop.
Oh.
Yeah, you zoom out on Argus.
Yep.
A little bit, half zoom. Yeah.
Peyton, I think it's Bathypathis patula.
Bathypathis patula. Okay.
And
Full wide,
it's
Roger that. And zoom in.
Schizopathidae.
Slurp's going. Roger
Yep.
that.
Oh, got it. Nice.
How's that? Or what? Closer.
Awesome.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
I'm at 100%. There you go.
There it is.
There you go.
And
Teamwork.
Beautifully done.
here's it
Great
come.
job.
Ooh, shrimpy.
Oh, hey, Shrimp. Do you want to join?
Join the cool club.
Join the
There it
slurp party.
is.
There it
Just-
is.
Slurp
Sweet.
party.
Okay, end sample time at 0050, and so tentative ID as Bathypathis patula.
Nice job.
Correct.
All right.
Look
Hi,
at that.
little shrimp.
Identified, cut, and slurped in 60 seconds.
Yeah, look at that.
We're full wide on both,
Should be a
Scott.
challenge.
That
We're
shrimp is
so
trying to go
efficient.
into the
Roger,
tube.
Yeah, why don't we just suck that
On
shrimp
Argus
up
too.
too?
Who else did you want to get? The shrimp?
We were joking because the shrimp was actually actively going towards the tube.
Oh, didn't see that.
I'll just flush it now.
Oh, do you see the sea star moving on the left? The brittle star?
No.
Where?
It's starting to push
Oh,
itself away.
yeah.
Oh, there he is. Look at that.
It's like,
Yeah,
I saw what you
Peyton.
did with those other
Peyton.
things. I'm getting
Yeah,
out of here.
Zoom in on that.
And zoom in.
Hey,
And
Where's
he's chill.
this
I don't think we
little
would have saw
guy?
it if it didn't move. Wow, that was good.
Yeah. Blends in quite well.
Oh, there we go.
If only we just had 4 more of them next to it.
Okay, full wide.
I'm going to do a little catch up.
There's a fish to our left.
Don't see him.
It just went off camera.
Oh.
There it is. Oh, it's a shrimp.
Shrimp.
A lot of shrimp over here. Seen quite a few.
You'll find.
So we just slurped up a piece of bathy coral. And now we've sampled coral and a fish.
Is that something right to the right of the laser?
Zoom in.
Don't see it.
Is it a rock?
Oh, maybe.
The white one?
Oh, that was just a rock that I was looking at.
Rock.
Is that white
Like-
thing down there though?
Could
Oh,
be.
that maybe a sea
sea
star.
star.
Oh yeah, look at that.
He looks like a ravioli.
We found pasta.
That is a sea star.
Is that something you would want to slurp?
Let me check.
Is asking Peyton.
I'm looking at the list of stuff that we want to sample.
I don't know if
It's a,
we could
it's a cool
slurp
shape.
him.
It is
That is
very
a
cool.
really cool shape.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that rock above it?
It's like a pentagon.
Yeah.
I
Can
know
we
we
get an
haven't seen
ID on that?
I've seen a lot of rocks.
Let's see.
Here, Scott, I'll zoom out for you
Did you get some
while they're
stills
thinking
in?
about it.
I did get a few.
Great. Let's see if we can ID him.
Looks like there's another one up there.
Oh yeah.
1, 2. Okay, are there 3 more?
I still, again, really want a grab button because I'm bouncing between like 2 or 3 different tasks right now.
You want me to do the grab?
I just love what the Argus
Oh.
cam looks like right now. That's just
really
so cool.
There's another one. To the
Sure.
left. There actually
Hey,
are
thanks
a
for
bunch
the-
of them.
Yeah, there is a bunch actually.
Oh,
Is the ship moving? It is, isn't it?
A little bit.
there's one
It's
there.
We could
Stop.
see
I'm
if we
just
can
doing
pick up
steps right
5
now.
of them.
Okay.
There seems to be quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I kind of
So if we
see.
wanna
Is there
hold
5
here.
above the lasers?
See, we got the sampling bug, and I didn't even have to say anything this time.
Is that
Well, we
another
need
fish on the
5.
left-hand
Another
side?
one.
There's quite
Oh,
a
that.
few.
Yeah, that was. Good eye, Anthony. There's
Oh,
another
there's
fish
another,
on the right
yeah.
side.
Thanks,
yeah.
Lily.
Fish for days. There's another one on the left side. Wow.
There's a lot of fish.
Lots of fish. See that one?
See? Oh, he's back.
Oh. So you want a roommate?
So the ship will hang out here as long as we want.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Those fish just don't move.
No, they don't, do they?
Yeah, and those are benthic fish, so usually they don't have a swim bladder like other fish do. So
Right.
most fish have a basically gas sac inside of them that helps to regulate their buoyancy. So a lot of midwater fish will use that so they don't have to spend a lot of energy swimming in the water column. But in this case, a lot of these benthic fish don't have that, so they'll just kind of lie flat on the bottom. What's our... Oh, sorry, go for it.
No, I was saying I thought they'd just still swim away even for a brief.
Yeah, they can still swim off the bottom. I think in this case, their idea of camouflage is just remaining still, because camouflage falls apart if you move.
There's another coral on the left.
Yeah.
Another fish.
That fish we slurped waited till the last possible second, so they're really dedicated to the
I
hiding.
mean, I guess if you've been doing the same strategy for millions of years as a species,
I don't
Probably
think,
been
I don't
you're
think
gonna
they're,
stick to your guns.
zoom in.
Yeah.
I don't think they were prepared for an ROV to come in.
What are we looking at?
What's
Wow,
that one right
that
ab-
blends in really well.
It does.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Um,
Looks like some sort
Some
of
sort of,
coral.
yeah.
Huh. Wow.
So the ROVs can stay operational underwater as long as we need them to. We have fiber optic cables and
Thank you, Scott.
You're welcome.
power running down to them. So when we
Oh my
want those samples and we finished our dive, we just pull them back up. We pull up Argus and we drive up Hercules. Hercules has forward thrusters, so it can go pretty much up, down, left, right, wherever it needs to. Thanks for tuning in, New York, Long Island.
Peyton, you get your screen
What?
grabs of that?
I did. Thank you very much.
There you go, and there's a fish.
Wendy's from Long Island area.
What about West Hampton Beach?
Full wide again.
I don't know.
So that coral that we sampled, we did take a clipping of it, and in order for us to get it in there, we do have to use our slurp device, as you've heard us reference frequently. So that does kind of bend things as it comes in there, but still, they're still in whatever shape we need them to be in terms of being able to sample and
That's a
preserve them.
big anemone right there.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
And zoom.
Is that an anemone? Might be a coral.
No, yeah, you're right. It's a coral.
Is that the same type of one that we saw earlier that we sampled?
This has
I-
a different growth
It's
pattern.
not the same. Wow. Can you get some stills of that guy?
Yeah, I am getting some stills of that one.
He is
Go
hitting
Peyton.
the still button as we speak.
Go
He's-
Peyton, go Peyton. Go
I need-
Peyton, go.
I still need a physical still button, but I am clicking.
I'm not sure what this is.
I'm going to say pink,
Wow.
fan-shaped radiating coral.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good. Let's see if we can ID this
Wow, very pretty.
Bob for short.
guy. Bob for short.
Guys, you
Bob.
sample Bob.
Don't worry. Let's
Benthic,
see.
other type of benthos.
So,
Bob.
science
It
peoples,
works.
what do you think made it grow right here? Is this just where it latched onto the seafloor?
Maybe. There might be a little bit of rock underneath it. Hana?
In order for it to grow this big,
Yeah, I know
been there for a
shallow
while.
water corals, they'll settle, they have preferable areas where they settle, and that's based on different chemical cues. In the deep sea, I'm not sure how they would pick where to settle, especially in an area
Can't
like
touch
this
it.
of sand, or they may just prefer to be on sand, not actually on something hard, but it could be attached to a rock under the sand. Can't really tell. Wow, that's beautiful.
I think it's a black coral. I have a similar picture to this in the
are you putting the coral through Instagram filters?
Hashtag
We
no
need to see this in
filter.
sepia.
okay, I think
Sepia? You mean sepia?
That guy would look good in sepia.
Pathies looks really similar. I want to see if I can identify that.
Let's see.
It's pretty cool.
Those of you on quad are looking at the scientists on the back row, so scientists, you can say hi to the people watching.
Hey.
Cladopathidae?
I think it's Antipatheria, because, oh yeah, Cladopathidae.
Where's the camera in here?
It's above the chart.
Oh, there we are.
It's above the
Hi.
chart table.
Okay. It's all camouflaged.
I think, because it looks a lot like this one that I have listing in here for heteropathies. Like the growth pattern looks really similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like heteropathies to me. Do you see that one? It's near the top of the cladopathies page.
Oh, here I think I just found
Yeah, I
it.
can't pull up the full one because my internet.
Heteropathies?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Americana? Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me write down an ID for that really
I
quick.
think it might be
Oh, is it white?
Americana.
Yeah. Full,
Very nice, Peyton.
full wide.
Ooh, what's that?
What's what? Oh, on the left?
bottom left.
Thing emerging from the
Yeah, I think it's...
sediment.
That wasn't there
it
before.
is.
Yeah, I don't remember it being
That
there.
wasn't
So
there.
those come out, and you see the radiating
Yeah.
pattern.
Oh.
So it's reaching out and
Oh, that's cool.
feeding around it.
Really?
So that's a worm, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is really
Whoa.
Oh, it's coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
there you
that's
go.
so
Oh, is that a
cool.
peanut worm?
Wow, he's pretty far out.
You can see inside them.
Oh, this is so cool.
Wow.
What?
I think that's a peanut worm.
Whoa. he's
Whoa. Hey.
What's that just below
The
him?
shrimp.
Or what's left of one?
Whoa, inside is
There you go, zoom in more,
crazy.
maybe.
Thanks, you.
Oh,
I can't tell.
I
So is he spread out under the sand, Scott?
That I don't know.
Huh.
I don't know, like, if he just kind of has a hole that he burrows into, or
Usually that's what they'll do.
yeah, like a chamber.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So he's
they'll
just
come
Is
out
he
just like that.
looking
to
for
do-
food
It's
or just?
crazy to think
yeah,
Yeah.
so they're gonna
Disturbed
be
him?
looking for sediment.
He's
Yeah.
definitely
So because
Oh
we
my
came
gosh,
down,
it's coming all the
we,
way out.
for scraps.
we
Yeah,
triggered.
he's pretty far out. I'm sure he'll completely retract inside if a predator was coming.
If he gets
Like a
slurped.
Pokemon stick.
He gets slurped.
What?
So all those
Wow.
things inside of it that we're seeing,
Whoa.
are those just things that it's
Sand.
digesting?
It might be its digestive tract.
He
I'm gonna
could
zoom in on
be.
Argus.
Wow,
go
he's
for
pretty
it.
It's
long.
hanging all out.
Yeah, I really want to say this is a peanut worm, but I'm not sure.
Is he trying? Is he running
Oh,
away
oh,
because
oh,
we're here?
Oh, whoa.
What?
Whoa!
I've never seen the
Oh,
other
it's
end
got
of
a
one.
little polychaete
he's
worm on
eating
it.
it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a
look at
defense
that.
mechanism.
Ah,
It's
that's
fighting
so
for
shiny.
If he gets some stills, wow.
Yeah, I am trying to get some. Oh my gosh.
So if we slurp it, does it count
Look
as
at
2
that.
samples?
Probably. We'd subsample it as 2.
Is that all of the zoom?
Wow, that's super cool.
That
Oh,
is-
awesome.
I can zoom in some more. I just don't want. I want to keep it in frame.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to lift off.
Yeah,
some
that
around
worm
this
is-
if we want to keep it in frame. I
Oh,
don't
we
know
could.
if
What?
any-
Can,
This
That's
is so
all the way
cool.
ridiculous.
Yeah,
Ridiculous.
so peanut worms, I'm like, that's what I'm
Can you
gonna
lift off and
tentatively
turn?
ID
Yep.
this as.
Okay, lift off and turn.
There's Sepuncula, and then we're also seeing a
Go wide.
Some sort of poly.
full wide both.
polychaete worm that
Yeah,
was
you
just
can
really going after it.
So the polychaete worm is the thing at the end.
Yes.
That's much smaller.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it's trying, the tiny thing is being eaten or trying to eat it?
It,
So
I think,
do we
believe
wanna
it is trying
slurp
to
it,
eat
Peyton?
it.
Or science?
I'm not the person to ask.
Sorry, yeah,
Zoom in.
science. Yep.
What was the question?
I don't know. Do you want it to sample it?
I mean,
I think we'll pass just because of the ethanol issue.
Oh yeah.
Might take too much ethanol.
I don't know how we'd even get this thing. We don't.
Yeah, that guy gets
I
stuck.
want to get slurped easily, and then we don't have a scoop.
Yeah,
Let's
he
just
might
let
be
him
too
live
wide.
his life.
We'll let him.
Yeah.
Let him fight
So
his battle. His,
the little
his
thing
existing battle.
Is eating the
It might not be
significantly larger thing.
eating.
Really?
It also looks like it might just be stuck, but it's hard to tell.
Yeah,
He's-
there's
looks
like
he's
stuck
stuck
there's
through-
some
on him.
filament.
How?
Yeah.
Something. He's grabbing him.
So which side is the front of the worm?
That would be the,
The
I
paddle.
believe the side,
the
yeah, with the
paddles?
big paddle.
Yeah, because you can see the different, like,
wow.
I don't know, marks on its skin that it uses to hold on to the sediment.
Right, right.
He just cannot get detached.
Should we help him out?
That worm is coming.
Wow.
You can probably give him a blast.
Oh,
See
yeah.
if it separates them.
Right?
It's just like slowly
This is one of the,
creeping
like, the
towards it.
photographer
It's
dilemma. Do I
terrifying.
I
interfere?
don't know.
This is so cool.
There's a tiny little string of mucus or something you can see
Yeah.
that's holding them together.
Oh,
So what is
No.
the small thing on the right?
That's a polychaete worm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it.
Oh,
it's-
Oh.
no. Are they free?
I think so.
No, they're still.
No.
Oh. They keep coming
Wait,
in the
what's
ROV.
going on?
they're gonna end up on the porch here in a second.
Yeah.
Take us with you.
Oh.
I can't see, is the filament
Or-
still there?
Maybe, or what if the
I think
polychaete is
so.
dragging it away?
Oh,
might
yeah.
be.
Might be.
Pulling them hard enough.
What in the world did we just see?
Wow, they moved pretty far.
Oh, it's rounding.
I wonder if it's trying to.
Oh. Body slam.
You slam.
Wow. Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Oh,
see what
Scott just creating
happens.
some drama. Who's gonna come out on top?
Only one
It's
will
like the
emerge.
great white shark and the
Dramatic
killer
slow
whale.
This
zoom
is a
in.
great video.
They go down together to the abyss.
Benthic worm Highlander.
Huh.
I can't tell if they're fighting or if they're in a really confused, like...
If they're both just heading the same direction.
Yeah, I don't know if we're seeing the food chain or just, I don't know.
I feel like maybe the worm has,
What in the
the
world is going
polychaete
on?
worm has grabbed the peanut worm and is dragging it along.
That's what it looks
to
like.
its lair.
almost.
Wow.
But then I feel like you would see the peanut worm like sort of flip around because it would be stuck from the back.
Maybe he's
Oh
is
my
he
God.
disconnected? I think he's
Are
just.
they
Yeah, they're
free?
disconnected.
He's free.
They're free.
Oh.
Well, now
And
he's
then-
gonna go back towards him.
Yeah, will the worm come back to try and get it?
I don't know.
Oh, nope.
Maybe the ROV scared him away. And we have liftoff. All right, let's continue.
Okay. The drama is over.
The drama,
The cage match.
the little
is
soap opera.
God.
I'm doing
It
That
was
was-
so exciting.
full wide Roger.
What a
Yeah, we were
weird
so
thing
pumped
to
and we
see.
had no idea what we were seeing.
Woo!
Wow.
They're doing a thing.
Wait, it kind of looks like a peanut worm, right?
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I've never heard of a peanut worm until now.
When they like shrink up, they look like a peanut.
Ah.
I think you need to taste one just to make sure it's not the other way around.
It's a
Oh my
little
God.
fishy.
Little shrimp. Fishy. Yeah.
Little fishy. Salsa water.
Hannah, in terms of rocks, are we just looking for any rock in general? Like, do they have requirements in terms of size or shape?
Some of
There's
them
another
have.
crab on that rock.
Yeah, there is.
Oops, sorry, I was on mute. For this particular location, the request was just representative rock about a softball size. So that was
Okay.
about
So-
softball size.
What about that one in front of us that has maybe a crab on it?
Yeah, can we zoom in on that?
Yeah, zoom in.
Yes, we can.
That's a hermit crab.
It is a
Oh.
hermit crab.
Look at
Cool.
that.
That's a really weird
Yeah.
shell.
Oh.
Oh, nope.
What?
What is he
Oh,
holding?
What is he?
That's his rock. We
What are
can't
we
have
seeing?
that rock. What is that thing moving?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff going on. And there goes the hermit
Is it
crab.
like a type of
Please come on and
isopod?
get me.
Oh my gosh, look
Stay
at
off
him.
my rock.
Wow.
He's still holding the rock.
He's like, you want to go? I'll put you down.
And then whatever that other thing is.
Wow, look at him. I don't know what the other thing was. I didn't really get a good look at it,
It's
though.
right
It's
above
like,
the lasers.
Just above
like
the lasers right now. Poor hermit crab, we scared him.
I
We're
think
gonna
it's
catch
a
him on the porch.
You
shell.
should.
Looks like it, but
Are you putting him on the
it
porch?
almost looks transparent, though.
Or maybe it's a peanut worm.
Not a shell.
That is
Yes,
precision
you're
driving.
Nicely done.
Oh.
Is he trying to get
No,
into
it
his
gets
own?
even better if he
Oh.
climbs into the bio box
Oh my
himself.
God.
Oh my gosh!
The bio box!
I think he just did.
No way!
Open it.
Open it!
He almost
He's sampling himself.
sample me.
I opened it.
He totally like would have went in if it was slightly open.
All right, it's
If
open
we-
now.
I don't know where he went.
That was so awesome.
What is?
Great video. Oh my
that-
goodness.
Oh,
Maybe open the bio
If
box.
we-
See if he'll go in. He might just slip in. Where'd he go? Did we lose him?
Scott wins if
Oh.
he can pull this off.
Oh, I see him on
my
bubble.
God.
He's on bubble in the bottom.
There he
There's
is.
He's on the
sweet.
I
deck.
see him on the
Okay.
left. Oh.
ready, Summer?
I can't believe
Take some
this.
skill.
Oh my gosh,
This
he's
is
gonna go in.
Forward.
Stick out.
Is that the first sample ever without it? Nice, Scott. Very nice.
Great job.
Excellent.
Wow. That was remarkable.
That was some catchy.
All
That was
right.
Summer and Scott, the professionals. Right?
Nice job, guys. Excellent.
And we got it all.
Play of the year.
Sampling award.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
amazing, Scott.
I'm
Summer,
crying.
great job.
All right,
Give that
that
over
is
to
sample
Argus.
number 25.